back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine paid channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about 5 things about the Zazzle that no one really going to tell you. In fact, many of the people who are talking about the Zazzle on YouTube or on the blogs doesn't really talk about these things about the Zazzle. So I'm going to be talking about these 5 things. And these 5 things, maybe you have heard about it or may not be, but these are the unique about the Zazzle, which I came to know from my experience. So I'm here to share it with you. If you're also looking to sell on Zazzle, or if you're currently selling on Zazzle, it will be helpful to you. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section and download it. Soon we are going to start the exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Right now it's on waitlist and 100% free. You can subscribe to it. You can unsubscribe later on if you change your mind. But if we're going to deliver you exclusive content regarding making money online, once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content. Let's dive in with today's video topic. That is what are the 5 unique things about the Zazzle that other print-on-demand websites don't have, and also not many people know about it, or maybe very few people know about it and not many people talk about it. The first thing I have for you is that is very unique about Zazzle is an on-demand platform, not a print-on-demand platform. Of course, when you are placing your product or putting your products on a Zazzle shop, when someone purchases from you, Zazzle will going to sign on the product and will going to deliver and ship it to your customer based on so kind of like a print on demand, but not really a print on demand, because people are using your work as a template and they are optimizing it, customizing it, editing it, and then purchasing from you. Adding their own name, adding their own picture, their logo, their text, their name, whatever it is, they're making the changes to the design that you have already uploaded it, and then they are purchasing it. So it's an on-demand platform. It's not a print-on-demand platform. I think I've been talking a lot about this thing in my videos because I also came with this thing after failing on a Zazzle in my first shop, because my first shop was completely like a print-on-demand and I wasn't getting that much of sales. But when I really took that big change and I considered it as an on-demand platform, not print-on-demand platform, then things started to taking a big changes and I started to seeing daily sales. Now I'm getting daily multiple sales a day, sometimes 20 sales, sometimes 30 sales a day, which is pretty amazing just from 3 to 4 months so far. I have made a mistake on this thing and I've made a bunch of the videos. If you want to check it out, then I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. But consider it as an on-demand platform, not print-on-demand platform. If you are considering print-on-demand platform, it's a huge mistake. You're gonna see later on when you not get that much of sales, because if you're just uploading print on demand, then you're missing out a bigger factor on the Zazzle, which is a template factor. Like, people are using your design as a template. You can't miss out that factor. If you're missing out, you're missing out a lot many sales that you could get if you're uploading your design as a template. So that is the first thing. Now, the second thing that I have for you is people buy more template-based design than print-on-demand designs. That's real fact. Now, I can tell you based on my experience with my first shop. In the first shop, I was uploading the designs, the artwork that I was making, and the designs were not as a template. They were as a print-on-demand. The designs were placed on the product and people have to purchase it. They can't edit it or make changes to the designs. But when I am uploading the designs or product as a template, then I'm getting the sales. So if you are an artist, you're creating a particular type of work, for example, a watercolor work, or maybe a portrait work, or any kind of work if you're creating, and if you're uploading your artwork as a design on these products, it is less likely to get the sales than if you are uploading the products or uploading the design as a template. So if you are an artist and if you are looking forward to sell your own work, then Zazzle is not exactly for you. You can check out the Redbubble or Teepublic or even Merch by Amazon or other print-on-demand websites or other art selling websites. I talk a lot about them. I'm going to leave a bunch of the playlists for you to check it out. In the card section above, you can check it out, all those videos. And Zazzle is only for those people who are creating their work as a template and then selling it. Because if you see the top sellers on the Zazzle, the pro sellers all the pro diamond, pro platinum, pro gold, silver, they all are selling their work as a template, and that's leading them to multiple different sales in a month, in a day, and leading to thousands of dollars a month. It's hard for me to digest because I was the one who was creating my own work from scratch, who was creating their own artwork from scratch in the Photoshop and traditional art and all those. And when I came across this big change that I need to upload my product or my design as a template, if I am not, then I'm missing a lot many sales on the Zazzle. So consider Zazzle as a unique platform, consider it as a way as it is. If you just go on a Zazzle and if you type on any particular product, you're going to see that there is a customization option like add your own name, add your own text, upload your logo, add your own picture, write your own simple text, and all those are templates. Of course, people are uploading their own artwork as well, but along with uploading their artwork, they are allowing the product to use it as a template. Like if you're just uploading your artwork like that only and not allowing your product to as a template, then you are missing a lot many sales. If you are an artist, you're creating your own work, maybe a watercolor pumpkin. For example, for the Halloween, if you're creating a watercolor pumpkin and you want it to be uploaded on a t-shirt, sticker, and card, whatever the product look like, and if you're just uploading it like that only, you're not allowing the customer to actually added that particular template, then it is very less likely to get the sales. So you need to allow the people to actually add that template, then you are only getting the sales, multiple sales on Zazzle. It's my own experience, guys. If something is different for you, do let me know in the comment section below. It would really be helpful for me as well and for other people as well. But it's all based on my own experience and my opinion. It may differ, or it may work for you, may not be working for you. So if you're uploading a watercolor pumpkin on a card, you could upload a watercolor pumpkin and do that and telling people to add their own name, adding their own message, adding their own text, or whatever they want to add or write to that particular card, then you're gonna get the more sales for that card rather than just uploading a card like a simple watercolor pumpkin. That's all. Okay, you see, and you get my point. If you didn't get my point about the second thing, do let me know in the comment section below. I have to make a separate video for that, to actually show you the difference between the normal design that we are uploading as a print on demand on Zazzle and a template that we are uploading on Zazzle. The difference between these two, there is a difference. Okay, so if you are not getting this point, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make a separate video for this particular point because people do get confused. I also get confused in the very beginning, so it's quite obvious. If you get confused, let me know in the comment section below. But take my point, guys. If you're creating a watercolor pumpkin for the Halloween cards or Halloween t-shirts or stickers, whatever product, don't just upload it like a Halloween pumpkin like that. Write something else along with Halloween pumpkin and make it as a template so that people can write their own name, their own text, their own message. Also, they can add their own picture, if possible, upload their logo as well and write a bunch of the information about which they want to add for that particular product. So upload it as a template, upload your watercolor pumpkin design as a template on that particular product, not just as a print-on-demand design. So this is a big thing. So if you are just selling your work as an artist, then it is very less likely to get the sale unless you allow your artworks to be uploaded on the design as a template. So whatever it is, upload whatever product you're uploading, whatever design you're uploading, upload it as a template, allow the people to add it, then you. Third thing, which is really hard for me to digest as well, like the markup, the profit margin on Zazzle. Like, of course, you can increase your profit margin beyond 15%. Like by default, it's set as a 5%. You can increase up to 15%. But if you go above 15%, then Zazzle may hit you some charges for going up to the higher commission. By default, it's 5%. And you can increase up to 15%, but if you increase beyond that, or if you're going beyond that, then Zazzle may hit you with some charges for that particular product. So this is a bigger thing that it was really hard for me to digest, because when we are coming from a Redbubble, when we are seeing the good profit margin for every particular product that we are selling, and here we are seeing only 10% profit, or if I increase up to 15%, only 15%, I can't increase it to 20% or 30%. If I do so, I'll maybe hit charges by the Zazzle. So, and also Zazzle recommend you to increase your profit margin or keep your profit margin in between the range of 10 to 15%. Don't go beyond that. Zazzle may hit you with charges. So this was a really hard thing for me to digest as well, but that's really the truth. And no one really talks about it, about the Zazzle profit margin, because when getting started with this thing, very few people were telling about this, and I wasn't getting much of the resources in the online space until they actually go deep down the research center to look for why I can't increase my profit margin beyond 15%, and if I increase it, what happened with my shop or what happened with my product. Then I realized that if I increase it, I would be hit with more charges from the Zazzle because I'm increasing my profit margin beyond 15%. So that is the bigger side back. If you're looking for more profit margin, then you really need to go with the affiliate center. What is that? Let me explain you. Zazzle also has an affiliate program. Promote your product as an affiliate. Let me explain you what I really want to say. That Zazzle give the affiliates some percentage commission, and here on your product which you are making, you are getting 10 to 15% commission. So you can promote your product by your own affiliate link so that you can get the affiliate commission as well, and you are getting the artist margin as well. So both these will going to add up, and that can increase your commission per product, per sale which you are selling. So that's why I talk a lot about promoting your product on the Pinterest. So product on a Pinterest, make sure you go and check out the Zazzle affiliate program, join it, and use your own affiliate link to promote your own product to actually increase your profit margin, so that you can get the artist profit margin as well and affiliate profit margin as well, and combine these two, you are getting more profit. Otherwise, you are only getting the profit margin 10 to 15%. That is the average artist margin on the Zazzle. And if you're increasing beyond it, you may hit with some charges. So that fourth thing that no one tells about you, Zazzle, is that if you are opening up a shop on a Zazzle and you are randomly uploading product like that, then it is a little bit more complicated than going with a niche-based shop. Allow me to explain this. By that, if you're opening up a shop, now first of all, you can open a multiple different shops in one account on Zazzle. That's the biggest plus point I ever seen on any other print on demand website, that you are allowed to upload multiple different shops in one account. So if you are starting with a Zazzle, I would highly recommend you to go with the niche-based shop. For example, if you're creating a shop for wedding stationery or for wedding products that only upload the products that are selling on the wedding, it would more likely for you to get more sales, and also people would be familiar with your shop, that this shop is particularly famous for the wedding stationery or wedding products, and they would be more likely to come on your shop when they are looking forward to purchase wedding related products. It's much more recommended to go with the niche based shop. Now, not many people are talking about it. Let me tell you, not many people talk about go with the Zazzle niche based shop. I have seen with my own experience, I have compared it, I have seen based on my research. When I was researching on the Zazzle, I came across the many shops which are pro sellers, the people who are selling, or designers who are selling or making thousands of dollars each month on Zazzle, have a niche based shop. Related to any topic, related to any event, occasion, or any theme, whatever it is. Like some people are only focusing on the holiday-based products like the Thanksgiving, the Halloween, the Christmas, and various different events, the Valentine, the New Year. So they are only focusing on holidays and the events. Some of the people are more focusing on business-based products like the business cards, labels, stickers, and all those kind of products. So you are going into much more good shape for going with a niche-based shop rather than having a shop in which a bunch of the product are being dumped like that and there is no niching, because you need to have a customization, you need to have a branded shop. On the Zazzle, there is a lot more customization that you can do in your shop. You can change the shop cover, banner, avatar, you can write your own title or tagline, whatever it is, you can do a bunch of the different stuffs in your Zazzle shop. So there is a lot more customization. So it's best to go with the branded niche shop than going with the branded general shop. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how it's working well for me. Either way, if you want to sell multiple different products in your shop and you're thinking that how I'm going to do it, I also want to sell the wedding, I also want to sell the stationery, I also want to sell the business, I also want to sell the home decor, then what you can do, you can open up a multiple different shops in one account. Like one shop is for wedding, another shop is for home decor, another shop is for apparels, another shop is for business. So you can have a multiple different shops in one account, and each shop is related to their own particular niche and topic. Like one shop is particularly related to wedding, another shop is particularly related to the business, another shop is particularly related to the home decor, and so on and so forth. You can open up multiple shops in the one account related to specific niche and topic. Do it, guys. It will really be a game changer, because I have seen it's working for me and it's been working for other people as well. The last thing that no one tells about the Zazzle is that there is two different options on Zazzle for uploading the products. The quick create and create new product option. I think I have made a few of the tutorials talking about opening up a shop on a Zazzle. In one tutorial, I've shown you opening up a shop and then adding the product by quick create option. And in another tutorial, I've shown you using a create new product option and creating a product by that. I'm going to leave all those videos in the card section above, or the complete playlist of Zazzle. You can very well check it out. But guys, there is a two different option, and these two options are very much different. The quick create option, you're creating I think 20 or 30 products at one time, and you're just uploading a single design and you're creating 20 or 30 products at one time, and that's all. But if you're going with create new product option, you're creating one product at a time, like you're creating one card at a time, or one t-shirt at a time, one sticker at a time. Now, what's the difference between them apart from this thing? The difference is that if you're using a quick create option, then your designs are not uploaded as a template. Now, this was a big confusion for me for a very long time, because in the beginning, in my first shop, I was uploading product by using the quick create option because it was very intimidating. It was very fast to upload multiple products at one time only. Like, you don't need to upload separate product each individual time. It was pretty fast and all that. But then I realized that if we are going with the quick create option, we are of course uploading multiple products at a time, but our product is just uploaded as a print-on-demand product. They are not uploaded as a templates, and people can't edit it. And if people can't edit it, then we are missing a lot many sales. But if you're going with the option that is the create new product option, then you are uploading your product as a template, and then people can edit it, do the customization option, and then can purchase from you. Of course, in the create new product option, you can only create one product at a time. You can't create multiple products at a time. It's a time consuming process. I really get that, because I get a lot many comments regarding this particular option between the quick create and create new products. So that's why I'm talking and covering over here in this video. And also, guys, I'm going to be making a video soon telling you the exact difference between the quick create option and create new option. What's the difference between these two, and which one should you go for based on my own experience and knowledge. I'm going to be making that video soon. So if you want to check that video, please subscribe to it if you haven't subscribed to it so far. Hit the bell icon, because whenever I'm going to upload that video, you'll be getting notified about it, because I'm going to be showing you the exact difference between these two options and which options you need to go for actually uploading your products on Zazzle to get them more sales. But that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. These were the 5 things that very few people talk about the Zazzle, and I came across based on my experience. Some are good, some are bad, but that's the unique thing about the Zazzle. And that's the way you need to take the Zazzle if you really want to get good sales, if you really want to make multiple sales a day. That's what I'm doing currently. I'm getting multiple sales in a day based on all these 5 things, and I'm going to be making more videos regarding how to get the multiple sales on Zazzle in a day. Let me know in the comment section below if you want more such video. I'm going to be making up more. But that's it for today's video. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.